at it again. Back at it again with another video. How you doing today? How you doing today? How you doing today? And we're back with another recipe with our Galanz microwave air fryer convention oven microwave here. And guess what we're doing tonight? I got some broccoli in here. We're about to try to air fry some broccoli. Yes, frozen broccoli florets. And we're gonna see how it comes out. Might come out good, might come out bad. And all I used was some great value. I'm about to show you. All I used was great value broccoli florets. That's all it is. Frozen broccoli florets. Just put out the freezer, open the bag, put it on the air fryer kit. And now we're back again in here. So I'm about to close my microwave, press air fry 400. I think that's a little too high, so we're gonna go down to 375 and we're gonna press start, and we're gonna go for it's first time, so we're gonna try, I'm gonna say 6 minutes and see how that goes, and we'll be back in 6 minutes to see how this goes, y'all. Hey guys, it's been 6 minutes. We're about to open it and see how it looks. Ooh, it looks cooked, but it don't look crisp. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put it back in there. Same temperature, air fry, 375 for 4 more minutes. And I think that'll crisp it up. Like have a little, I want a little bit of brown around the edges, you know what I'm saying? And we'll be back in 4 minutes to check it out. Alright guys, just took it out after 4 minutes, 4 extra minutes, and it looks pretty scrumptious. It's got a little color, it's got a little brown on it. I didn't want it burnt, so we're gonna let it cool for a few minutes and we're gonna try it to see if it's crisp. Because it's supposed to be crisp in the air fryer is what I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, the appearance, y'all, it looks pretty good to me. I don't know about y'all. So yeah, we're gonna wait a few minutes for it to cool off so we don't burn our mouths, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna take a taste and let you know what it tastes like. Guys, I'm about to test it. I chose the one that has a little bit of brown on it. As you can see, it has a little bit of brown on it. So my camera's not focusing. But it does have a little bit of brown on it. So we're gonna try it, see what it tastes like. It's not hot at all. And it's crispy. This one's got a little bit more brown on it. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit more brown. Oh, there you go. You can see that. It's not too crisp. It's cooked and still kept its crunch a little bit. Now it's not like crispy like a French fry or something like that. It's not. So if you're going for that, it's not like that. But I wouldn't recommend putting it back in for any longer because you see it has a little bit of brown on it. I didn't want it to get burnt. I figured if I did it any longer, it was going to be burnt. It's got some crunch. So yeah, I think this was a success. I'm gonna give this a big thumbs up. This was a success. This was not a fail to me at all. I'm gonna be putting this broccoli in my broccoli chicken Alfredo tonight. That's what I'm having for supper. So I wanted to put extra broccoli in it because you know how in these, I'm using a bag meal. These bag meals do not have a lot of broccoli in it. So I wanted to add extra vegetable, and this I think will make it so much better. So if you want to try this, go ahead and you want to try any of my other recipes, they'll be linked in the description that I've tried with my Galanz microwave, air fryer, convention oven. If you like this video, hit that like button in the face. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe, comment. I came up with a name for y'all. I finally came up with a name for my subscribers. I kept waiting for a name and it just clicked. I'm down south. I'm a Cajun, my heart. And me being Big Mama, y'all are my babies. So I came up with T-La Babies, and it means little babies in Cajun. So I hope y'all enjoy that. Comment down below if you like that name. And comment any other videos that you like to see. And if you like these videos that I've been posting, of the cooking videos that I've been doing. So see y'all later.